Imagine the thrill of seeing your beautiful artwork displayed as a cohesive and captivating wall art series. Hi, I'm Jamie Alexander, a surface designer and illustrator in Toulouse, France. I've collaborated with amazing partners like Target, Disney, Minted, Trader Joe's, and Hawthorne Supply Company. Creating a wall art series of 2 or 3 prints is a powerful way to add a polished aesthetic to any space. In this class, I'll show you professional techniques for designing striking art prints that can stand alone or work together in a group. We'll decide on a space to design for, discuss techniques for making a cohesive and harmonious series, select a theme, and establish a striking color palette. We'll also cover common art print dimensions and work on setting up a canvas in Procreate. I'll walk you through my process from finding inspiration to sketch to final illustration. I'll also show you how to prepare your files for print and choose a fun mock-up to showcase our art print series in your portfolio or on social media. Finally, I'll provide recommendation for manufacturing or selling your art prints. As a mom of 3, including twin toddlers, finding uninterrupted stretches of time is a big challenge. I bet you also have a busy schedule, so I'll be keeping things simple today. While this class is suitable for any level, I'll be working in Procreate, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop, so I'm assuming that you have basic knowledge of these programs. By the end of this class, you'll have created a captivating series of 2 or 3 prints to elevate your home, give as a gift, enhance your portfolio, sell on print-on-demand sites, or even pitch to a company. You can even apply these skills to other forms of artwork like stationery and cards. I can't wait to see your wall art series. Let's create something amazing together. I'll see you in class.